I agree with you. I think that there's a lot of moving particles. So it sounds like the reason you transitioned into lending is you were looking for something that still provided a very good income, but at the same time, there was less risk, but still something that you could probably scale out and do a high volume of, which sometimes people, when they're getting into a business, unless you're in business already, you don't really think about that until you actually, because I didn't start thinking about scalability. I didn't start thinking about processes, procedures until I actually got into the business. And then you start thinking about these things as well.
You're absolutely right, and there's many tangents on that. But right now we have about 150 loans in our portfolio. To manage 150 flips, you're talking about teams on teams on teams and overhead and the cost of administrators, and your payroll costs would run you tens of thousands of dollars per week. We run our operation with, again, around 150 current loans, and it's me and my two brothers. Right? We have no employees, zero overhead. There's no payroll to be made. I mean, it's a very simple and easy process. Now, as far as the safety, our one minimum is that we do require a 30% down payment. So we have no credit analysis, we have no income verification, but we feel as a lender with 30% down, we're okay bypassing all that information. So with that, we have a buffer, right? When you're the investor and you're the flipper, again, dollar for dollar, that profit is yours or that loss is yours. Well, now that house that's $100,000, they have to fire sale for some reason, something crazy happens, it sells for $70,000. Us as the lender, we're still protected. Unfortunately for that investor, they've lost $30,000, but we're still okay. All of our notes are 12% annual. We do have no prepayment penalty, which is rare in the hard money lending world. So we're happy with that 12% yield plus an origination fee on the front end, and we can kind of keep turning over that money. And we do have a lot of repeat customers that are very happy with us.
Cool, man.